Hi children, how are you? I hope you're all fine. So be safe, stay in your home, don't come outside. Wash your hands regularly. Okay children? வீட்டிலே இருங்க, பத்திரமா பாதுகாப்பாக இருங்க. நான் தான் உங்களுடைய இங்கிலீஷ் டீச்சர் மிஸ்ஸஸ் ரேவதி மிஸ். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற பாடம் மை ஸ்வீட் ஹோம். மை ஸ்வீட் ஹோம், என்னுடைய இனிமையான வீடு அப்படின்ற பாடத்தை பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம எல்லாரும் ஒரு பாட்டு பாடலாமா? லெட்ஸ் ஜாயின் அஸ். ஆர் யூ ரெடி? ஹாட் கிராஸ் பன், hot cross bun, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross bun. Say children, hot cross bun, hot cross bun, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross bun. Very good. Next 2 lines. If you have no daughter, give them to your son. If you have no daughter, give them to your son. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross bun. Okay, this is 4 lines. So this song you have to practice in your home. Okay, இந்த பாட்டை நீங்கள் வீட்டில் என்ன செய்கிறீங்க? பாடி பார்க்குறீங்க. சரியா? இப்போ நம்ம மை ஸ்வீட் ஹோம்குள்ளே போகலாமா? ஆர் யூ ரெடி சில்ட்ரன்? ஸோ பிஃபோர் தட் we are going to see some exercise. See the picture. What is this? What is this, ma? See. What's the name of this picture? School. What is this? School. See the next picture. Grandfather. Grandfather. See the last picture. Teacher. Teacher. Next, below that, big and small trees here. So which one is big? They ask, circle the big tree. So you have to circle the big tree. First one or second one? Very good. First one is the big tree. Second one is the small tree. See the next picture. Color the shirt. You have to color this shirt using crayons or watercolors. Okay children, these are some exercise given before the prose. So next we go to the lesson. See the children, see here, in our house we have bedroom. What room? Bedroom. So in bedroom we see these things. Now I say the name of these things, you have to repeat after me. Okay, நான் இப்போ இந்த பேரை சொல்லுவேன், இந்த பொருளோட பேரெல்லாம் சொல்லுவேன், நீங்கள் அதை ரிப்பீட் பண்ணணும். Shall we start? Okay, first one, lamp. What is this? Lamp. Lamp. Lamp means விளக்கு. நம்ம வீட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுற night lamp. See, lamp. Lamp. What is this? Lamp. Next one, after the lamp, see, what is this? Pillow. 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 Next, cot. 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 Cuttle. Next, see the cupboard. 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 See, clock. What is this? Clock. Kadigaram. Clock. Very good. Now once again I repeat it. You have to repeat after me. திரும்ப நான் ஒரு முறை சொல்கிறேன், நீங்களும் சொல்லுங்கள். lamp, pillow, cot, cupboard, clock. Okay children? Very good. Okay children, see this picture. You are very well know about this. What room is this? Kitchen. What is this? Kitchen. So in the kitchen we see some picture things. We see some things. So now I say the things name. See, dustbin. What is this? Dustbin. குப்பை தொட்டி நம்ம போடுவோம் இல்லையா, குப்பை தொட்டி, dustbin. Then sink. What is this? Sink. Sink. நம்ம கையெல்லாம் கழுவுறோம் இல்லையா அந்த இடம் sink. அடுத்து நம்ம பார்க்குறது stove. அடுப்பு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா stove. Stove. நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்குறது grinder. Grinder. Mixie. What is this? Mixie. See the mixie. நம்ம வீட்டில் சட்னிலாம் அரைப்போம் இல்லையா அதான் மிக்ஸி. Mixie. Then see plate. What is this? Plate. What is this? Plate. So these things are in the kitchen. In which room we have these things? Kitchen. So once again I repeat the word. You have to repeat it. Dustbin. Dustbin. Sink. Sink. Stove. Stove. Grinder. Grinder. Mixie. Mixie. Plate. Plate. See this picture. Have you all remember? These things are in our which room? Bathroom. Where we see these things? Bathroom. So now we say these names. Okay? First, bucket. What is this? Bucket. Then mug. What is this? Mug. Tap. Tap. Towel. Towel. Brush. Brush. Soap. Soap. Mirror. Mirror. Mirror means kannadi. Mirror na enadhu? Kannadi. Wash basin. Wash basin. நம்ம கை கழுவுற இடம். Wash basin. Okay children, now once again I repeat it. You have to repeat after me. Bucket. Mug. Tap. Towel. Brush. Soap. Mirror. Wash basin. Wash basin. Children, look this picture. So you all see this things in our house. In which room we all things we have? Remember it. In which room we have all these things? Very good. Hall. In our hall or living room. We say hall or living room. So now I say the thing's name. You have to repeat it. Okay? See. Sofa. What is this? Sofa. What is this ma? Sofa. Next, window. Jannal. சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Window. Window. Next, television. Television. நம்ம டிவி பார்க்குறோம் இல்லையா? அதான் television. Next, door. கதவு. Door. What is this? Door. Chair. What is this? Chair. Chair. Once again, I repeat the word. So you have to repeat it. Sofa, window, television, door, and chair. Once again, I repeat all things names. Okay? Listen carefully. I say the word, say the name of the things. You have to repeat after me. Shall we start? First we go to bedroom. See the picture. What is that? What is that? First one. What is this? Lamp. What is this? Lamp. Next picture. Pillow. Next. Card. Cupboard. What is this? Cupboard. Next. Clock. Then we missed one word. That is cradle. Cradle means tottil. Cradle means tottil. So this is in our bedroom. Next we go to kitchen. In kitchen we see these things. What is the name of this thing? Dustbin. Next, sink. What is this? Sink. This one, stove. Grinder. Mixie. Plate. Very good. Next we go to which room? Bathroom. Bathroom. See, this is bucket. This one is mug. This one is wash basin. Wash basin. Next, tap. What is this? Tap. This is towel. This is towel. Brush. Brush. Soap. Soap. This is mirror. Mirror. So these things are we see in our bathroom. Next we go to our hall or living room. See, this is chair. What is this? Chair. Door. What is this? Door. This is television. Very good. What is this? Television. Next, see the picture. What is this? Window. Next, sofa. Very good, children. You all learn about how many rooms are in your house. Okay? Thank you, children.